Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we're taking a look at the Honeywell Travel Surge Travel Adapter. Now, on the front side of the packaging, we have a little plastic window through which we can see what the product looks like. Aside from that, on the bottom, several features and salient aspects are being called out. First being that this has a universal socket, which we can see right here. Second, it's got an elegant design. You got two USB power outs. These are type A ports, and both of them cumulatively give you 3.4 amperes of capacity. Next thing being, it has excess power safety failure. So this will not allow more than 306 joules or 12,000 amperes to pass through, or rather, it can hold back shocks and surges of this amount. And lastly, it's got a charge on the go feature. We'll get to that later. Then there's also mention of warranty. You should always check the Amazon store page to get exact details of exactly what is covered and for how long. And there's also mention of coverage for devices that you'll be using with this particular travel adapter, and the coverage is up to 30,000 rupees. Again, you should read the terms and conditions to know exactly how this works out. On the left hand side, we can see a QR code. Maybe that should lead you to the user manual or to the manufacturer's website. The same thing is on the right hand side as well. When we flip the box around, we can see some of the features of the travel adapter. The ones that are important to us, we've already seen and covered them on the front. Then you've got a little compatibility matrix showing that this thing can be used with laptops, smartphones, tablets, Bluetooth speakers, cameras, and smart watches. Over here, we've got the manufacturer and the importer's contact details. And aside from that, you've got a little note at the bottom stating that the Honeywell trademark is used under license from Honeywell. So this is another company which is using the Honeywell trademark. And there's another note regarding the device secure warranty. Again, read through that properly before you make any claims. That's it for everything on the packaging. We'll just go ahead and unbox the device. On the inside, we've got some documentation as well as the adapter. There's nothing else, no cabling or any other accessories in the packaging. I just got the adapter. We can see that it uses a standard triple pin Indian adapter. This would be one of the IEC adapters. And over here, we can also see that this thing is rated for input of 250 volts at 10 amperes up to 50 hertz. And the USB output, as we saw on the packaging, is 5 volts with cumulative output of 3.4 amperes between the two ports. On the top, you've got a little indicator stating if it is powered on and whether the device is okay or not. As for the documentation, this thing has basic installation instructions as well as details pertaining to the warranty. Same goes on the back side, and that seems to be everything of importance. This was the unboxing of the Honeywell Travel Surge Travel Adapter. Thank you for watching.